So today, guys, I'm going to answer one of the most asked questions that I see in the comment section and on Discord, and that is about farming my Gmail accounts. Now, a lot of people wonder, how do I farm my Gmail accounts? What does that even look like? What tool do I use, and how do I get all my one-clicks? Well, today, I'm going to finally make the video and answer all those questions, and we are going to be talking about Kylin one-click today, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the second screen right now, and let's talk about Kylin. Alright guys, so let's talk about Kylin one-click. Now Kylin is the tool that I use to farm my Gmail accounts, and to me this is the most efficient and effective way to get those one-clicks, to get those 0.9 scores on your Google accounts. So I'm going to touch on 5 main functions of Kylin, and then I'll kind of go in depth on each one. Well, the first thing that we have here, this is just the dashboard. This is kind of where you create your tasks, stuff like that. The next thing we have is the spoofer, which you can use whenever you need that. Cookie harvester, not going to touch on. My proxies that I have inputted. Proxy generator, that's a good tool. Then we also have your profiles here. You can use that as like a profile converter. We have our Gmail accounts here. And then of course our settings tab where we can go into all that. Now the first thing I want to talk about is just the main screen here. As you guys can see, you can't see this section over here because it's all blurred out because it's my personal Google accounts and proxies. But I have all of my accounts right here all set up with a proxy, and you guys can see that all of these tasks are going right now. Right now they all say taking a break, so in other times you'll see these saying like reading Google News, looking at YouTube, stuff like that. Just emulating that human activity so we can generate those good Google scores. The next thing that I want to talk about is the Spoof tab. I'm not going to go too much in depth on it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Whenever you want to spoof, like say a Yeezy supply drop, enter in the website, your proxies, your profiles, stuff like that. No big deal, but a very useful tool. The next thing that I'll talk about is the profile converter. This is super helpful, guys. If you are transferring your profiles between bots, for example, no big deal. All you got to do is export and you choose your bot, and they support all the major bots here. So very, very helpful tool. It really helps when I am transferring my profiles back and forth to all the different bots that I'm using. And it just makes the whole process very seamless and very fast. I won't really touch on the cookie harvester too much just because we don't use that much anymore. The proxy tab, self-explanatory. Input your proxies, set up your tasks to farm your Gmail accounts, and you're good to go. One thing that I do want to touch on here on this screen right here where you have all of your Gmail accounts in, you guys will see the 0.9 score over here. That's the score that you want to have, and then you can also test for one-clicks. I'm not going to test for one-clicks right now just because I do not want to harm my Gmails. If you want to add in a Gmail account, very easy to do. You can even group it if you want, and I can kind of show you guys here. These are all the profiles that I have input right now. As you guys can see, I have my different tabs here, and I'm starting on my Jordan 6s for all my slots that I'll be running. So you guys can see I have that broken down into a separate group. So honestly guys, Kylin one-click is, if you're looking to improve your Gmail scores, and you're going to need to, especially with Supreme right around the corner, this is a must. Honestly, Kylin one-click is a must to have if you want to be successful on drops like Supreme. And guys, it's super affordable too. $36 every 3 months. Now, I will say this, Kylin one-click is not always in stock. So, the best thing that you can do is follow their Twitter page, have notifications turned on so you can be notified anytime they restock. And guys, they sell out extremely fast, so you're going to want to be on that very, very quickly. So, I will leave their Twitter handle on the screen right now and in the description. So, I highly suggest you guys go follow Kylin and make sure that notifications are turned on so you can be notified anytime that they restock. And once again, guys, this is just a must-have. Honestly, if you're going to take reselling and botting seriously, then Kylin one-click is a must-have, and you need to do whatever you can to get it. So shout out to the guys over at Kylin. Kylin one-click is, I can't say any more about it, guys. It's a must-have if you want to take reselling seriously. So that's going to do it on this video today, kind of reviewing Kylin one-click. Make sure to follow their Twitter account and have notifications turned on so you guys can hopefully catch a restock. I'll see you guys on the next one.